Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. So in the previous video we have seen how we can pull out the audit log report of the SharePoint site as well as of the OneDrive site. On this video we will see how we can take out the audit log report of Microsoft Forms. I receive a lot many queries from my viewers. They are not able to figure out like how we can really take out the audit log report of the Microsoft Forms. So friends, let's go to our lab environment and let's start our today's video demonstration. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay friends, so now we are on our M365 Admin Center. First of all, I will click on this navigation menu and we'll go to the Compliance Center. So as we did on the previous video, we will just simply click on Audit. And this is our from here we can generate the audit log report, and you can see in the previous video I have showed you like pulling out the audit log report of the SharePoint site as well as of the OneDrive site. So these were the two search names in the previous video. So now we will open the forms, and I will show you like for which form we will be taking out the audit log report. So let me click on this app launcher, and here this is our Forms app. Okay. So few days back I have created this form with the name of for audit, and I have not received any response so far on this MS Forms. So but I will show you like how we can pull out the audit log report. So let me open this forms in the new tab. Okay, so this was the form basically for my organization employees. So here you can see this is my form URL. Okay. And now the thing is, the most of the viewers, those who are not able to fetch out the audit log report, there could be a possibility like they are not entering the correct URL of the the Microsoft Forms. So basically what we can do, like first of all I will go to the audit. Similarly we have to as we did for the SharePoint as well as for the OneDrive, we have to select the start and end date, or let me make it 15. Okay, 15th of May, and I will randomly pick any time, and end date will be of today's. That's fine. And let me also select, and you have to as mentioned in the previous video, you have to enter the date and time range in UTC. Okay, so now if I will click on this drop down menu in the activities, if you will type forms over here, you will see the Microsoft Forms activities. So you can check these boxes like created form, edited form, moved form, deleted form, viewed form. These all are the activities which you can specifically target for the Microsoft Forms. You can see there are lot many activities. If any user has performed these activities, those are captured. Okay, so currently we will not target any activity. We will leave it as it is. Like I want all the activities so far has happened on this Microsoft Forms. Then you can target any users over here. If you have identified a set of users, you can add those email address over here. And then there is a record type. You can also define the record type if you want. Now the main important thing is now the file, folder or site. Now here we have to enter something which is relevant to this forms. So most of people do one mistake, like they simply just copy the entire URL of this Microsoft Forms, but that's not the case. So in order to take out the audit log report of Microsoft Forms, we just simply need to copy, as you can see in the URL, there is a ID equals to. If I'll go back to another form and let me open this another form as well. So each form has its own ID generated. So as you can see on this company trip as well, there is a ID then equals to, then there is a ID of this Microsoft Forms. Similarly for the form which we are going to pull out the audit log report, you can see there is a ID equals to, then again the ID of the form. So we do not need to copy the entire URL. We just after equals to, we just need to copy this much ID of the Microsoft Forms. Once you will copy it, now we have to go back to the audit, and here in the file, folder or site, you have to just simply paste that ID of the Microsoft Forms. Then you can give the name for the keyword search, and then there is a workload as well. You can define the workload if you want. We will leave it the things which are not required at the moment, and then we can give the search name as well to this form search. Rest everything is fine. We have provided the ID of the form, start and end date is required. Now we'll simply click on search. Once you will click on search, you can see our form is job status is in queue, and it will take a while. You can just sit back for the 5 to 10 minutes and the job status will be completed and you will get the desired results. Okay friends, so after waiting for 7 minutes and 36 seconds, finally our job status is now completed, and as you can see, the total results is showing up as 16. So in order to see the audit log report of this Microsoft Forms, we just need to simply click on this completed link, and it will generate the results. So their total count is 16 items. So you can see the activity related to this form. So this is the date, IP address, user who has performed the activities. This is my email address. So since no other user has responded to this form, not even tried to access, so you can see all the activities are done from my end. So you can see the activities are added specific responder, enable specific people who can respond, edited the form, viewed responses of the page, and as you can see, the form is also created by me. So friend, that's how you can just simply take out the audit log report of the Microsoft Forms. That's conclude our video demonstration. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.